Volcanoes are openings in the Earth's surface where hot molten rock, gas, and ash escape from inside the planet. These natural features have been shaping our world for millions of years. Understanding how volcanoes work helps us learn more about the Earth's inner layers and its powerful forces. Deep beneath the Earth's crust, the rock is so hot it melts into liquid called magma. This magma is lighter than solid rock, so it slowly rises toward the surface. When magma reaches the surface, it is called lava. Volcanoes form when this lava breaks through the Earth's crust. There are different types of volcanoes. Some are tall and cone-shaped, called stratovolcanoes. They erupt explosively, throwing ash and rocks high into the air. Others are shield volcanoes with gentle slopes where lava flows out slowly and spreads over a wide area. Volcanoes are often found at the edges of tectonic plates. These plates are large sections of the Earth's crust that float on the hot, soft layer beneath them. When plates move, they can collide, pull apart, or slide past each other. At these boundaries, magma can find its way to the surface and create volcanoes. Some volcanoes erupt suddenly, while others may be dormant for years before waking up again. Scientists study signs like earthquakes, gas emissions, and ground movement to predict volcanic eruptions. This helps keep people safe by giving early warnings. Volcanoes also create new land and enrich soil with minerals, making areas around them fertile. Famous volcanic islands like Hawaii were formed by lava flowing into the ocean over thousands of years. In summary, volcanoes are powerful openings where magma escapes from inside the Earth. They shape the planet's surface, create new land, and remind us of the dynamic forces beneath our feet.